Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss some more questions of General Aptitude December 2019 NAT of Physical Science subject. So this one is the question number 5 in my question paper. So a multiple choice exam has 4 questions, each with 4 answer choices. Every question has only one correct answer. The probability of getting all answers correct by independent random guesses for each one is. So here are the 4 options. Now we have see the solution, how it is solved. So this is the solution and of NET December 2019. So the multiple choice exam has 4 questions. Okay, each with 4 answer choices. Every question has 4 choices. Every question has only one correct answer. So in probability, or according to the definition of probability, probability is equals to number of favorable cases divided by total number of cases. So here the number of favorable cases is what? Each question has one correct answer. Okay, and multiple choice question has 4 options. So these are the total options in a question. So we have to find here that 1 by 4. Now the total MCQ is, means number of questions is 4 here. So the probability of every question is 1 by 4, and it is a 4 type question. So the power is 4. So the total probability of this thing correct answer is 1 by 4 to the power 4, and this is given in option number second. So this one is the correct answer for this question. Now the next question is question number 6. Karan's house is 20 meter to the east of Rahul's house. Mehul's house is 25 meter to the northeast of Rahul's house. With respect to Mehul's house, in which direction is Karan's house? So we have to solve this, that in each statement you have to learn very carefully, that in each statement you have to decide that which one is working first. So Karan house is 20 meter to the east of Rahul's house. Here Mehul's house is 25 meter to the northeast of Rahul's house. So first, in both the statement Rahul is common, so first you have to make Rahul and then make the direction. Now you see Karan's house is 20 meter to the east of Rahul's house. So according to the direction 20 meter you have to draw. Now Karan is in the east. The second statement is Mehul house is 25 meter to the northeast of Rahul house. So northeast and 25 meter you have to make, then Mehul is there. With respect to Mehul's house, Karan's house is where? This is the question. So with respect to Mehul's house, Karan's house is in the south direction. So this is given in option number 2. So option 2 is correct for this question. Now the next question is question number 8, according to which question number 8 is a two-digit number is such that if the digit 4 is placed to its right, its value would increase by 490. Find the original number. So a two-digit number. Here are the four two digits number given. If you place the digit 4 in 4 is placed to its right, its value would increase by 490. If in the right of these four given numbers you have to put the 4 digit, then how the number is increased you have to see. Then if you decrease this number 490 from the given digit, then you will get the original number. So this is the question, how you have to solve it. A two digit number is such that if the digit 4 is placed to its right, here is a confusion that which whose right. This is our right, means not numbers right, and this is our right. So if you take first option, 48 is a number. If 4 is added to right, then it 48 is 484. Now it is increased by 490. So if you subtract the 490 from the given number, then the value is the original number, but you have to get 14 here, which is not original. Because originally you have take 48 as a number, two digit number, but you will on simplifying you get 14. So this is not original number, so this is not correct option. Now you check second option. 54 is number, then 544 is the digit if you place 4 in the right, and if you subtract 490, because this much it is increased, so from 54 to it is 544, then if you subtract 490 you will get 54, which is the original number. So this one is the correct answer. And sometimes you have to go through the options, then you will find the correct answer. Now the third option is 64 is the number. If you place 4 in the right, then it is 644, and if you subtract 490, then your value is 154, which is not the original number, so this is also wrong option. Now 56 is the number. You do the same thing, 564 and subtract 490. The value you get is 74, which is also not the original number. So the correct option in this case is option number 2, and the two digit number is 54. Now the next question is question number 9. What what day of the week will it be 61 days from a Friday? So if we have to take Friday as first, then after 61 day, which days come? So you have to find this. So for solving this, 61 days from a Friday. So first, if you make, if the 7 days are here in the week, so Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Now, if you consider Friday, if you start from Friday, then after coming Friday, the 61st day is which day? So, in a week there are 7 days. So, Friday is first, then 14, on 14th day it is also Friday, 21st day is also Friday, 28, 35, you have to learn the table of 7. So, here you get that up to 56 is a Friday. So, after Friday you have to count. So 56 days Friday. Now, if you next you have to count, then 57th day is Saturday, 58th day is Sunday, 59th day is Monday, 60th day is Tuesday, and 61st day is Wednesday. So the correct answer for this is Wednesday, which is given in option number 4. So this is all about this video lecture. Please watch, like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Keep watching.